Moses' Mailbag.
Hi, in honor of tonight's intense edition of Beer Pong, I'm going to answer your questions on the mailbag out here in nature. Tonight's question comes from Barb and Doug in Kamloops. They write, Moses, is it possible to wear your balls out? Yes, especially if you expect them to perform for you over and over and over again. Your balls need rest if you want them to give you the explosive results you're looking for. A great way to get rest is to go on vacation. So I encourage you to take out your balls in public, in the city, in the country, or even here, surrounded by wood. There's nothing like the sight of a stranger's face when they see you with your balls just hanging out. Thanks for your question, guys, and keep them coming.